This message is going mostly to ladies. Pay close attention and listen to this message by Nigerian footballer called Taiwo Owoni. And he said, "The best thing I did was getting married when I was broke. I remember people making mockery of me and my girl, that what we are going to eat. Some even say two broke people can't get married. Some days I will get hurt by their statement. But worst one was when they said I choose football. It is even going to be difficult for me to make it. This woman told me what they say does not matter. What matters is what I believe and what she believes. I continue practicing and today we can afford anything. Even ladies who do not have my time are ready to give their life for me." Taiwo Owoni. This message is a very strong message. So if you're a lady and you have a guy that you are dating and you have seen that guy have future, that guy have something doing, stick with that person so that two of you will make a better future. Share the video.